Okay, everyone, welcome back. And this is a new week. Like I said last week, that I point out this liquidity zone here, which is sell side liquidity on the DXY, and I also showed this daily order block. I said price will likely retrace into it, and price may respect that. Now, what we saw throughout last week was just the way I said it. Now you can look into this area. Now you find that this is a clean sweep of the liquidity below this level here, and it was inside the other block. Now after that, you find out that we have this impulse move here. This is a number one sign of what, of smart money in the market, because an impulsive move towards a particular direction, that indicates that this is the right direction. Now I told you that the dollar is still very bullish, and we don't want to be looking the other way around. Now first out, we have this right here. This is a fair value gap or a liquidity void. It depends on what you want to call it. We have one there, and also we have another what, fair value gap in this area. No, that's the daily fair value gap. Now we have this fair value gap on the daily, and this zone here will be our what, our liquidity. This will be our first buy side liquidity, and before we talk about the major liquidity, which I talked about in the previous analysis. Now what we should expect is simple. First of all, you bring out your Fibonacci tool, and you want to make sure that you are going to buy below the 50% zone, because that is the safest zone to enter the market. We are going to look at the market this way. Price will likely definitely drop below this level here, and so this is what I'm expecting. But one thing you should know about this type of fair value gap is that price might respect it from just a little touch. So this O zone is your entry zone. So we'll likely see price jump from this area. Just that 105.938. Just that zone there. Price will likely respect that zone, and price will shoot to the upside. Now, I told you that I remain very bullish until price hit this level. On the other hand, where we go to my favorite pair, which is the Euro USD, we are going to see a similar scenario here, but this one is the opposite. Now, right here, we have a daily order block, and which is a bearish order block, and we have this nice liquidity graph above it. Nice liquidity graph above your order block. This is a very strong indicator in the market. Now, if price dropped like this, now I already said it from the DXY. Now, price just dropped like this, and we can say, okay, these are internal highs. Now we have we have what's here. We have our high and our low, and also we have that same fair value gap again. Now, this fair value gap is very important when you come to analyzing the market, because you can use this fair value gap as your entry point. Since you already have your zone, remember you are going to pick your entry within the premium level. So we have this other block here. These are the two major arrays we have inside our premium zone, and we are going to see price hit that level likely and put us in at a very, very good spot before dropping below. You can see that this remain our mark, and this mark is what we are going to be looking forward to, and likely price might respect that and give us some good entry. So hopefully we are going to be focusing on Euro USD and we might still be making money because majority of my position I have not closed them. I'm still holding till this low here. I think it will take me at least 2 or 3 days or more, but we are going to hit that low.